Coastal Living, how to buy the beach house. So you've been watching HGTV, you have seen the Beachfront Bargain Hunts, you subscribe or have looked at Coastal Living magazine, it's one of your favorite, and you've also seen Southern Living magazines and you love all that kind of stuff. So now you're ready to buy the beach house. So what do? First off, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and click subscribe to our channel because we have new videos that come out every single week. Second thing you can do is, in the link below, I've got a link to showing you some beach houses to take a look at here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's one of the least expensive, bang for the buck. You get a lot here and the lifestyle is awesome. So how do you buy that beach house? Well, I'm going to give you the scenario today on one of our clients and what they did. They lived in the Northeast and they were tired of paying the high taxes. They're looking to move south. They're looking for the warmer climate. Again, if you've been in the Northeast and you've experienced a December, January, or February, and you've experienced a December, January, and February here in Myrtle Beach, I think that you will appreciate that. It's not only that, but you know, if you're looking to retire, it's the place to be. Cost of living is a lot less. The entertainment's great. The meals, there's 1,700 restaurants, so there's lots to do here in Myrtle Beach. If you haven't investigated, like I say, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Give me a thumbs up if you are watching these videos, and if you're at this point, let me know how I'm doing, or comment below if you will. So the client bought a beach house. It's in walking distance to the beach. It is a great community, small. There's not a lot of these. When you get here, go ahead and, or if you're thinking about moving here or thinking about the idea, obviously go do all the subscriptions and stuff, but then give us a call and book an appointment because we can take you to communities like this. You have many options, and it's not just about the one option of one community that you saw online. We have lots of communities here that I think that will that you could appreciate. We saved our client $17,000 on their lot here, where the neighbor next door paid it. Why? Because they went directly to the developer. This is what we do every day. We're very good at it. I want to make sure that you're avoiding the pitfalls that are costly. So here's another thing that's very helpful when you're moving to the beach. When you buy with our team, you know, you can go to the developer and they're going to build you a house. But with us, we actually follow up and check on your house while it's being built. If you've been looking at Southern Living and you're in another state and you're trying to figure out how to connect the dots and you aren't here while they're building, you know, the advantage that you have is eyes on the ground, local. This is what we do every day. We help our clients to buy and sell property here in Myrtle Beach. And if you're building a house, we're going to come by and send you videos of your house and what it looks like while it's being built. There's a guy right now, a couple more houses being built. So if this is your idea of what you're trying to do, make sure you give us a call. This is Jerry with Jerry Pinkas Real Estate Experts here in sunny Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. You can still hear me with all this noise. Lots of construction going on. We want to help you avoid the pitfalls that are costly. Take care, guys.